Hi, my name is Elvis Torres, and I'm the product manager here at Ladycare International for the Concrete Substrate Preparation Division. I'm here to give you a new update with our NXT and SuperCap line. Continuous improvement is always the goal for us here at Ladycare International. And our NXT level flow, NXT level, SuperCap SC500, and our SC500 Plus have all been UL certified for a fire rating for up to 2 hours. Now, these products were tested very heavily against ASTM, E119, and E84 for 15 different assemblies, the most common ones that are out there. And the great thing about our products is that they're cement-based, which adds a couple different differentiating factors from other technologies such as gypsum, which are a sealer is not required. There's also a higher rate of adhesion compatibility with cement-based self-leveling underlayments. The drying time is much quicker, hours versus days or even weeks, and ultimately the durability of the product on the job site against other factors such as water. So overall, we're just really excited to bring this new update to you. For any additional questions or information, you can always visit us at ladycare.com. We appreciate it and have a great day.